So I recently wrote an article titled, Analyzing Twilio Incorporated Stock, Is the Stock a Buy? And in the article, here's what I said. I first came across Twilio Incorporated after the Motley Fool began to push the company. I started researching the company, but I thought their valuation was nowhere near reality, which made me decide to not invest in the company. Considering the stock is down 82.17% year to date, I am glad that I made the decision that I did. Now that Twilio has fallen in value so much this year, I want to take a look at the stock today and see if it's at a good price. For those who don't know, Twilio provides programmable communication tools to help connect businesses with customers. It gives customers a better experience when interacting with businesses and helps those businesses decrease their customer acquisition cost. I do think that Twilio is a valuable tool for business owners. They currently are valued at $8.62 billion. They are not yet profitable, which means that I cannot give what I think their company is worth based off of their earnings. I have to look at revenue. Last year, Twilio brought in $2.84 billion. The year before that, they brought in $1.76 billion. The year before that, they brought in $1.13 billion. Again, they have not made a profit yet, but I am not concerned about that because they are growing very quickly. With a company growing as fast as Twilio, I believe they should be putting all the revenue back into the business. This year, they have increased their revenue by 43.08%, according to macrotrends.net. Obviously, this is some very impressive growth. Twilio has a price-to-sales ratio of 2.42, which is actually not bad in my opinion. They also have a price-to-book ratio of 0.85, which traditionally, a price-to-book ratio of less than 1 is considered good. They also have an enterprise value to revenue ratio of 1.65, which investors usually consider an enterprise value to revenue ratio between 1x to 3x as healthy. Twilio does have long-term debt of $1.012 billion, which should be considered. With all this in mind, I am definitely considering investing in Twilio. It's currently on my watch list. I have not bought any shares of the company yet, but I no longer believe that the stock is trading at a crazy valuation. If you like this article, subscribe to whatever platform you're currently listening on, and also, download the investing app SoFi through our link and get $25 for free when you invest $10. If you want to download SoFi, you can either do it through the link in the description or the link in our bio, depending on what platform you're currently listening on. Thank you.